W1 Pro Tutorial Series. Flight Plan and Waypoint Flight. Under Optical Flow Fixed Position Mode, click the Flight Plan icon on right on screen to enter the Flight Plan mode. Manually draw the flight path on the screen. The aircraft flies towards the planned route. The aircraft will be hovering in the air to wait for the next step after finishing the planned route. Under GPS mode, click the waypoint icon on right on screen to enter the waypoint mode. A map pops up on the screen. Click to set up waypoints to plan flight routes, and then click the launch button. The aircraft will be hovering in the air to wait for the next step after finishing the planned route. All above are the operation instructions for flight plan and waypoint flight.